think driving trucks is a game, bro. It ain't easy. Look, they got people going up on the curb. That truck that went by just went up on the curb. Kittle News exclusive. Family Dollar blocked off while he tried to do this maneuver. And a lot of these companies, you just get through the CDL school and they just throw you out there. Like some of these companies is doing minimal training. Training costs a lot of money. They ain't doing no training. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I'm type nice out of back that joint up in there. But look, he about to bring that whole pole down. That pole that's behind him. Look, I think I hear it snap. I hope that ain't that pole making that noise. Like he about to take that pole down. Cars driving on the sidewalk. This is bad. Man, that looks like bro finna take that pole down.